This way, di ba, last night?
What?
Last night we go here, no?
No.
Ah, different?
No, this is the main train station. This is the main train station.
Oh. Babe. Wait. Yummy cinnamon. Mm-mm. Ito, train station going to airport. This one.
Just normal. Remember where I was last night?
Yeah.
And I said, oh, I know this place.
Uh-uh.
That was it. Wednesday.
Penang.
This goes up to Penang.
How about this one, babe?
Yeah, same
Same
train.
Penang.
Same.
Ah, may makas, oh.
The one goes on one side of the track, the one goes on the other side of the track.
Mm-mm.
That's pretty much the train station.
Taller than you, babe, or same? Taller than you or same? The
Oh,
guy?
I don't know. Yeah.
Girl, you hurt? No.
No, I'm not.
Where are we going here?
No, I just show you the train station.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. There is other train that goes different directions.
Yeah.
Up there. Yeah, we.
Bye, everyone. See you in my next upload. In my next video. We go out in NU Central Mall. Thank you for watching. Babe, bye-bye. Bye, everyone.